What's going on, people? Got this white flair ETB. Let's open it up and see what we get out of it. Of course, we all know the promo card that comes with it. All right, people. I'm only going to be opening up a couple of these cards. Um, I'm going to be in Denver for a few weeks, so going to try to make them last as long as I can. But let's get straight to it, see what we got. How the hell was that upside down? All right, our first pack gave us the rush around. Let's get to the next pack. All right. Pokeball. All right, our two hits for today. Not too shabby.